Hello friends, today I'm going to make a traditional Taiwanese style braised pork belly. I have some pork belly here and core ingredients including shallots, garlic, and rock sugar. First step, we're going to mince shallots and garlic as well as a pork belly. We're going to cut pork belly as small pieces as possible. Let's get to it. You wanted to use a bigger and deeper pot for this dish. Heat up the pot first before add pork belly in. Slowly cooking pork belly. And this step is to cook off all the moisture from pork belly, as well as bring all the oil, fat out of the pork belly. Make sure to toss around the pork belly evenly in the beginning for a couple minutes. We're cooking pork belly over medium heat. Okay, after toss around the pork belly a few times, let the pork belly cook itself. On the second stove, we're going to heat up the pan and add enough oil in the pan. This is going to fried shallots. Slowly cooking shallots, be consistent, toss around over medium heat until all shallots become golden brown. This step takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, the pork belly is still cooking next to this pan, so I'm going to take a look at the pork belly as I'm cooking the shallots at the same time. Okay, looks like all moisture from pork belly has been cooked off. Toss around a few times, continuing cook pork belly over medium heat. The next stage is to cook off excess fat from pork belly. Pork belly will slowly become crispy golden brown as well. This is about another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, after toss around a few times, let it do its thing. Let's go back to shallots. Wow, shallots is all coming together very soon. Probably another 1 minute. We can remove shallots out of the oil and drain excess oil as well. This smells so good. I love the smell of fried shallots, onion, or garlic. All those aromatics, just so sensational. Okay, here we go. This is a perfect stage of fried shallots. You want shallots look like this, golden brown. Let's remove shallots out of the oil, and we're going to drain the excess oil as well. And those shallots will go into the pork belly later to braise pork belly together. Fried shallots is a key ingredient to this dish. Okay, fried shallots is done. Let's set on the side. Let's go back to chicken pork belly. Wow, look at all those oil come out from pork belly, and look at the color, how crispy it is with all the pork belly. Remove most of excess oil out of the pot. Just leave a little bit to braise the pork belly. This is a very important steps to keep this dish savory, delicious and comforting, but not overly rich and oily. Okay, this is about it. This is how little oil I like to keep to braise pork belly. Look how much excess oil I have to remove. It's beautiful. Now this is so much better. Okay, here I'll add 2 tablespoons of white cooking wine. Then I'll add 1 tablespoon of the dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, fried shallots, minced garlic, give a little stir, hot boiled water. Hot boiled water, do not use cold water. Add enough water. We're going to braise this for at least 45 to 50 minutes. Rock sugar, oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon white pepper, about 2 teaspoons 5 spices. Mix it in. Remove off some foam floating on the surface. This is a super easy braised pork recipe. Here you go. Okay. And we're going to turn down the heat to medium-low. Let it slowly simmer for about 45 to 50 minutes. So after 50 minutes, add all quail eggs in, which I forgot to film in this part. Continuing cooking without lid for about additional 20 minutes to thicken the broth. The broth will be significantly reduced after 20 minutes. This dish becomes sticky, thick. When mixed with rice, it is so savory and comforting. It's exactly the way it should be. Traditional Taiwanese way to make this dish is to use chicken eggs. Whichever the egg you prefer, it is your dish to satisfy yourself. I'm sure it all turns out delicious. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. See you next time. Bon appetit!